Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and customize Gilded server? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video, shall we? So first things first, simply go ahead and open your Gilded server, whether it is in an application or on the website. What you need to do, so I'm just going to go thoroughly about the things that you can do with your server. So if you go to server settings, you can simply go ahead and add roles and then give them permissions right over here. You can also go ahead and create groups. So for example, someone might be playing other games, someone might be playing GTA, someone might be playing Roblox, so those kind of groups. You can also upload emotes if you want to. There are also privacy settings. You can also have role and level rewards that you can add. You can also invite people or invitees and then bans. You can check it from here. And that is about it. Now, when it comes to your channels, you can just right click, create category if you want a category, as you can see, like sections, channels, stuff like that. And if you want to create a channel, just click on create channel and there you go. There's so much things that you can play around with. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.